Hey everybody, hi, welcome, and thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me and my normally very sleepy sidekicks. Wyatt's already going to sleep, Xena staying out of camera view. That is for their normal mode every time I kick off a video, but I am so excited because I have the favorite unboxing of the sleepy sidekicks with me today. So once we get into opening this box, I think you're going to see a little bit more of them. Bark box. It's a bark box day. Xena's watching me intently. Wyatt's tail's going. Bark box is a subscription box for dogs. It goes by, the price goes by the size of your dog. So for Wyatt's size here, who you're going to see him in a minute, is $21 a month. And for that price, you typically get 2 bags of treats, an extra treat, as well as 2 toys. You always get the option to double up. You can add extras. It asks you every month. And typically, it is a lot of fun for the sidekicks. Anybody want to do a bark box unboxing? What's in the box? What's in the box, Wyatt? Are you going to get up and finally open this box? Come on. Come on. What's in the box? All right. So I did buy something extra this time, but I can't remember what it is. So I think that's why it's extra bulgy this time. You guys are really quiet. What's up with this? You're not in camera view. You're letting me do this all by myself. I'm not getting any help. Xena. There's treats in here. All right, I'll do it myself. Usually, Wyatt, you want to help me open this? You going to come help me open? Why? What's in here, Wyatt? You can open it? Come on. Come on. All right, so I've been getting Bark Box for quite some time, and this has been super, super popular with the sidekicks. Wyatt, I think, is finally figured out what it is. They always have the most fantastic themes, and their creativity always amazes me. All right, and it's open, and this is so cute. It says Frenchies in Paris. How cute is that? What do you think, Xena? And it says, Bonjour, welcome to Paris, the city of licks. Lap up the romantic sights, the squeaky sounds, the incredible smells. Enjoy your visit. And before you say au revoir, won't you take a Bark Box Day picture? All right, so Wyatt's ripping tags off. And what is this, Wyatt? This looks very interesting. I know. Oh, it says La Brûlée. La Brûlée. This is so cute. Shh. Okay. La Brûlée. Open. Look at that. These are little French pastries. Xena, why are you yelling? Look how cute that is. I don't think Wyatt has figured out what's in here. Look, Wyatt. Look. Do you want one? Do you want one? This one is, they're all, what? So that is Xena trying to tell me to hurry up to get to the treats. Look how cute. Look how cute those are. That is so cute. I love it. Oh, okay. So Wyatt picked out the extra that I got, that I purchased. What do you think, Xena? What do you think of these? These are so cute. I love it. So this says Behind the Squeaks. So there's Crinkle. There's a multi-part toy. There's disc squeaks. It says these luffy, squeaky macaroons put the trio in Arc de Triomphe. Hide a treat in the box for a more rewarding playtime. Très bien. So that is so adorable. And there's still one. This is so adorable. I love it. Do you like this one, Z? You just want treats? You just want treats? There's one more in there, Wyatt. All right, so this is the extra that I added. This is Bark Squeak Away Camp, and this is the throw cone. How cute is that? And it says, okay, it says, attention yappy campers, report to the main cabin for roughhousing. We interrupt, it says interrupt, your camp activities to announce we've got throw cones. So come cool off, hot dogs. This is so cute. I thought this was adorable. And it has a squeaker. Is that not adorable? I love it. Okay, and there's still one more toy in here. Oh, and it's a cup of coffee. Oh, it's espresso. Unimpressed coffee. Wait till I show you this. Oh, this is so cute. Open it up. This says Crinkle and his ball squeaker. It says this coffee is wrapped in crinkle, stuffed with a squeaker. I know, ZZ, you want the treats. And brewed with the bitterness of 100 failed artists. This is so cute. How adorable is this little guy? I love it. Lots of crinkle in this one, but there's still a squeaker too. I can hear, I feel it. Yep, it's in there. So cute. I love it. Wyatt's loving the snow cone right now. The macaroons are adorable. All right, but there is treats in here, and Xena is really being very patient. So this one is a chicken stick, hard and chewy chicken stick. I know. It says, to thine own self be chewed. How cute is that? I know. And then we've got 2 bags. And it says, this captivating chicken jerky will transform your dog into a really good listener, although their attention may drift after snack time is over. And these are made in the USA. It says there's only 3 ingredients, and they are grain-free. All right, do you want treats? Do you want a treat? You guys are being so good. You want treats? Okay. Okay. Look at the size of this. It does smell like chicken. I know. And look, why did you let Wyatt step in front of you? There you go. All right, so now Xena's off in the corner until she realizes I have another one. So this is duck cuts. It says these marvelous duck cuts will turn your dog into an award-winning actor. The award is the treat. The role is dog who finally sat still for a minute. How cute that is. And these are little brown treats. That is so cute. These are all so cute. I love it. This snow cone is adorable. Wyatt's already chewed half of the cardboard. I'm trying to get into it. What do you think, Wyatt? Are you too busy on that toy? Or the treat, I mean? So look how cute this guy is. He's adorable. It's big. It's bigger than I expected it to be. It's a good size. And I like this, a little Squeak Away camp. It has Dear Mom and Dad Squeak. It's like the kind of notes that your kids would send home from camp. Squeak Away camp is blank. I learned a lot about blank. I said, I blank it here. Please send me tons of blank. The food is blank, and my favorite is the blank. Isn't that cute? I love it. I love, love, love the creativity of these boxes and how they come up with this. So here's some of the other toys that you could get. There's a croissant. There's a cesse la brie. That is so cute. There is a little frog. There's is that a banana? It's a baguette. Oh, it's a baguette. A Cabernet slobberon. That is so cute. And the little with little mustache there. I love this. I think the sidekicks do too. So Xena's still working on her treat over there. And Wyatt already finished his. Oh, look at the little hat. That's a little hat and mustache. That is so cute. I love it. Oh, all right. This was adorable. Let's see what the other treats look like, and then we will wrap up so you guys can enjoy all of these new toys. All right. Here's what the other treat looks like. See, now we got more treats. So this one's a little bit smaller. Wyatt's in heaven now. And I found this to be just adorable. And now Xena's quiet because she got exactly what she wanted, which was food. Are these little cookies not adorable? I love them. Ow, Wyatt. That's not your toy. That's my finger. And the coffee. All right. So this is BarkBox. I hope you guys had fun with me today. I always love bringing this to the sidekicks because this is their very favorite unboxing. They usually sleep through the rest of them, and Xena's usually not involved at all. So at least you got to hear from her today. I will put my information down below for BarkBox in case you want to give this box a try for your pup. Oh my. And please hit that like, please hit that subscribe. It really does help me. It helps my channel, helps me continue to bring you new content. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you, because my subscribers are the very, very best. You guys are amazing. Thank you. And until next time, everyone, please stay healthy. Please stay well. Bye, everybody.